stainless steel Hamilton Beach toaster oven is a great value, offering big features at a small price. With toast, bake, and broil options, adjustable temperature control, and a 30-minute timer with auto shutoff, you have the features of a larger oven without heating up the kitchen. It's great for toasting up to 4 slices of bread, warming up snacks, and even cooking a 9-inch pizza. It uses up to 75% less energy and is 28% faster than a typical kitchen oven. Featuring non-slip feet and a stainless steel exterior, it looks great with any kitchen decor. Save time and money in the kitchen with the Hamilton Beach toaster oven. Now that's good thinking.
Black & Decker adds some efficiency to your kitchen. The Black & Decker 4-slice toaster oven toasts bread quickly and evenly, and it doesn't stop there. 4 cooking modes allow you to tackle a number of tasks: bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. The toaster oven is a great way to quickly cook smaller meals and snacks. A bake pan and broiler rack simplify cooking even more. Plus, the curved interior can fit a 9-inch pizza for fast and easy cooking without heating up a larger oven. The removable crumb tray keeps crumbs from burning in the bottom of the toaster oven, making cleanup fast and easy. The Black & Decker 4-slice toaster oven, your multi-use kitchen appliance. Black & Decker, change the way you cook. The Black & Decker Extra Wide Convection Oven just might replace your full-size oven. The extended interior fits most 13 by 9 inch pans, a 12-inch frozen pizza, or 8 slices of bread. Plus, convection technology circulates air throughout the oven for fast and even cooking for whatever you're making. Bake, broil, toast, and keep warm functions give great results for a variety of tasks. And the included bake pan and broil rack make the process even easier. A pair of precision timers serve as your trusty cooking partners. The 60-minute timer with stay-on functionality is great for extended cooking tasks. And the dedicated toast timer crisps bread to perfection. Plus, keep the oven tidy with a removable crumb tray that allows you to discard food crumbs before they burn in the bottom of the oven. The Black & Decker Extra Wide Convection Oven. Spacious baking right on the countertop.